Got a new dance for you. Looking for you. 64 counts, 2 walls. Here we go. And we're going to go side with a touch and a side with a touch. We're going to go side together, side. Roll it to the left. We're going to body roll right, body roll left and up, making that quarter turn. Back it up, back, back, bounce, step, back, back, bounce, step. We're going to go with a back and a touch. We're going to go forward with a brush, step, quarter turn, cross rock, recover. Cool? That's all of A. All right? So next what we're going to do is we're going to do B. So B starts off with a rock, recover, and a rock, recover, forward, recover, rock, recover. Back it up with a shuffle, shuffle, step, rock, recover, rock, recover. Now when we come forward, we're going to do a little and step, step. Rock, recover, back and step together, or stomp, however you want to do it. We're going to go side together, side together, side. Another one, a side together, side. Little V step, out, in. Monterey turn to the back wall, Monterey turn. And that is it. Now we're going to come to the tag. Stomp, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Cool? How we doing? Now let's take all of that, put all the counts to it. All right? So part A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, all right? I'll do it this way. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. That's the whole dance. The sequence, look on the step sheet, but it's basically AAB, tag, AABB, tag 3 times, ABB, tag twice, then you got the ending, okay? So after you come out of your last one, what we're going to do is we're going to modify A. So I'll take it up to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your last A. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, bounce, step. Back, bounce, step. Rock, step, brush. Now we're going to change this. We're going to go step, half turn, step, quarter turn, and finish. Cool.